We're gonna do her season. The good thing about having a piece at home and is you have everything already in. You don't have to use garlic because the garlic is inside, the parsley is inside, the onion is inside, the oil is, so vinegar is inside, everything is inside. So that's why it smells so good too. Hot pepper is inside, sweet pepper is inside. So that's what I call the Haitian secret food, a secret thing. So we have that. I'm going to put some Maggi because I'm making this season for two. And this is my little secret thing. Haitian don't do it. I love pesto. I put pesto when I am doing my meat. And also I like to put some mayo. That's also my own secret. Okay, the mayo give it taste. If you're allergic to eggs, don't put it. Oh my god, please, oh my god. And we're gonna put some full season. Oh, too much. I definitely put too much now. Put too much. And we're gonna put our lemon juice. Some more. If you have some mustard too. Ooh. Ooh, that's how it. That's only the piece. That's why the piece is so strong. It's the hot pepper, the pepper and garlic, onion. This one give it the taste.